We are living in an unprecedented era. Artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction movies, or locked away in Silicon Valley labs. It's here right now, on your phone, in your car, filtering your morning news. As of September 15, 2025, AI has quietly woven itself into the fabric of American life. It suggests what we should watch, what we should buy, and even the fastest route to our kids' soccer practice. But the most exciting development isn't just about convenience, it's about opportunity. The same powerful algorithms that corporations use to optimize their profits are now accessible to you, the individual. This is a seismic shift, a democratization of technology rewriting the rules of work and wealth. The old model is dying. Trading time for money, the classic 9-to-5 grind, is becoming a choice rather than a necessity. The new American dream isn't about climbing a corporate ladder for 40 years, it's about building systems. It's about leveraging tools that work for you, even while you sleep. AI is the ultimate leverage. It can write, design, analyze, and strategize at a scale and speed that was unimaginable just a few years ago. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it. It's about taking your unique ideas and amplifying them 1,000-fold, creating streams of income that were previously out of reach for the average person. What does this mean for you? It means that earning an extra $300 a day is not a pipe dream reserved for tech geniuses or venture capitalists. It's a tangible, achievable goal for everyday Americans. It's for the stay-at-home parent in Ohio, the college student in Florida, the retiree in Arizona. The barrier to entry has been obliterated. You no longer need a degree in computer science, or a massive upfront investment to build a profitable side hustle. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the curiosity to explore the incredible tools now at your fingertips. The gold rush of the 21st century is digital, and the tools are practically free. In this essay, we will deconstruct the myth that AI is too complex for the average person. We will break down 3 specific, actionable side hustles that real people are using today to generate significant income. These aren't theoretical get-rich-quick schemes. They are proven systems that leverage specific AI tools to solve real-world problems for paying clients. We will explore the exact steps to get started, share real-life success stories from Americans just like you, and provide a framework for you to begin your own journey. The goal is simple: to demystify the process and give you the confidence to take action. The future of work is here, and it's time to claim your stake. The first and most accessible side hustle is becoming an AI-powered content creator. Content creator. Every business needs content. Local bakery multinational corporation blog posts social media updates, email newsletters, video scripts. This demand is insatiable, and it creates a massive opportunity. In the past, this work was time-consuming and required strong writing skills. Jasper Copy.ai ChatGPT, your role shifts from being a writer to being an editor, strategist, quality controller. You are the human touch that makes the content resonate. Getting started is remarkably simple. You begin by identifying a niche you understand or are passionate about. Home gardening, vintage cars, financial planning for millennials, dog training. Next, you subscribe to 1 or 2 leading AI writing assistants. You then create a simple portfolio. Use the AI to generate 3 sample blog posts or a week's worth of social media content for an imaginary client. Refine the output. Add your unique voice and polish it. This portfolio is your key to landing your first clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even through direct outreach on LinkedIn. The reason this model is so effective is leverage. A human writer might take 4 hours to research and write a 1,500-word blog post. With an AI assistant, you can generate the initial draft in 5 minutes. You can then spend an hour refining, fact-checking, and optimizing it for search engines. You've just reduced your time investment by over 75%. This allows you to take on more clients and dramatically increase your hourly rate. You're not just selling your time anymore, you're selling a highly efficient, AI-augmented content production system that delivers speed and quality. Let's talk about Maria, a 34-year-old graphic designer from Austin, Texas. Before 2024, Maria was feeling the squeeze. Her full-time job was demanding. Freelance design projects were inconsistent. She wanted to build an additional income stream, but felt she had no time to learn a new skill from scratch. She heard about AI content generation but was skeptical, believing it would produce generic soulless text. However, driven by the desire for more financial freedom, she decided to experiment. She subscribed to an AI writing platform and chose a niche she loved: sustainable living, eco-friendly products. Maria's first step was to test the system. The second side hustle emerging in 2025 is the role of a hyper-personalized digital concierge. Think of it as a travel agent, personal shopper, life organizer, all rolled into one, supercharged by AI. People are overwhelmed by choice. Where to go on vacation? What's the perfect gift for a spouse? How can I plan a week of healthy meals for a family with picky eaters? These are complex questions a simple Google search can't answer. An AI-powered concierge uses specialized AI tools, sifts through vast amounts of data, provides curated, personalized recommendations, saving clients time and stress. You don't need a fancy degree, but you must be organized and enjoy research. Primary tools: advanced AI assistants, specialized search platforms that analyze preferences. Start by defining your service. Specialize: adventure travel, planning for couples, unique gift finding for busy professionals. Create a detailed questionnaire to capture tastes, budget constraints, desires. So, let's talk about David, a 48-year-old former project manager from Chicago, a perfect example of this model in action. After being laid off in late 2023, he had a severance package and honestly a lot of uncertainty. He'd spent his whole career organizing complex projects among his friends. He was the go-to for planning group trips. He enjoyed the research part and loved creating a perfect itinerary. While exploring ways to monetize his skills, he stumbled on a digital concierge service. He focused on planning complex, multi-generational family vacations. He started small: first client, his cousin, family reunion to Italy for 15 people, different ages. Interest budgets. Created a detailed Google form to gather preferences. Used AI travel tools plus his own research. AI helped pinpoint regions with activities for seniors. And kids find large villas, suggest restaurants for big groups. He curated options, built a day-by-day schedule, presented a clean, beautiful itinerary. Cousin was thrilled, paid him $500, that became his case study. The third powerful side hustle is for the creatively inclined: becoming an AI-enhanced Etsy artisan. The world of print-on-demand has been around for a while, but AI has completely revolutionized it. In the past, you needed to be a skilled graphic designer. T-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases. Now AI image generation tools, Midjourney, DALL-E 3, can create stunning, unique, and commercially viable artwork from simple text prompts. This opens up the massive Etsy marketplace to a whole new wave of creators who have great ideas but lack traditional artistic skills. The process to get started is straightforward and requires almost no upfront capital. Chloe, a 27-year-old barista from Portland, Oregon, embodies the success of the AI-enhanced artisan. With a passion for fantasy novels and a tight budget, Chloe dreamed of starting her own creative business but had no formal art training. She spent her evenings scrolling through Etsy, admiring handcrafted goods and wishing she could participate. In early 2024, she discovered AI art generation through a YouTube video. She imagined bringing fantastical creatures and magical landscapes to life with just a few words: a revelation. She decided to give it a shot. Her first niche was cottagecore dark academia aesthetics she personally loved. She spent a weekend learning how to write effective prompts for an AI image generator. Her initial creations were a bit clumsy, but she quickly learned to refine her inputs for better results. She created designs featuring whimsical mushrooms, mystical library interiors, poetic quotes over vintage-style floral patterns. She opened an Etsy shop called The Gilded Page and listed her first 10 designs on mugs, tote bags, journals using a print-on-demand service. For the first month she made only 3 sales, all to supportive friends. Disappointed but not defeated, Chloe started studying successful Etsy shops. She realized her product descriptions and keywords were weak. She turned to AI again, using a writing assistant to craft compelling, keyword-rich descriptions and titles. She started promoting on Pinterest and on TikTok, creating short videos showing the AI art generation process. This transparency resonated with viewers, and her shop traffic started to climb. A design of a dragon curled around a teacup went viral on TikTok. Today, The Gilded Page is Chloe's full-time job. Her shop now features over 300 designs and consistently generates over $12,000 in monthly revenue, with a profit margin of about 40%. This nets her well over $4,000 in profit per month, far exceeding her initial $300 a day goal.